guess in this video I'm going to discuss about how to display a string vertically in Oracle database. So at here first we need to select a statement, and here we need to use sub-str function, and here we're going to pass Oracle database, and hereafter going to use level, and starting here the value is from 1, and hereafter we need to use from, and here dual. So dual is the dummy table. Hereafter we need to use connect by, and here level, and let's give less than equal to length, and here going to pass Oracle database. Oracle database closed by single quote. So this is the first query to display any string vertically. Now let's test the query. So see at here I enter at here Oracle database, and here I am getting the output. So this is horizontally. So after applying this query I am getting the output Oracle and in down database. Now let's understand the query how's the work. So first is sub-str function. So about the sub-str function, so at here let's use select a statement, and here going to use sub-str function. Sub-str, and suppose at here going to pass Oracle database. Okay, going to copy this one, or just Oracle database, and here. So the first so sub-str function accept 3 parameters. So first is a string char, and hereafter position and length. So going to give the position at here 7, and here the length here giving 15. So that means that start from 7th character. So see at here 1. So first position O. Here, 2 position R, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 position, there is a blank. After that start printing. So here after let's use from, and here going to use dual. Now let's execute this query. So see at here it's displaying database. So it's start from 7th. So 7th is the blank space. Now let's give at here 8. So see what happened. So see at here there is no any blank. So if you give at here 8, so 8 is the starting position. So at here sub-str function, so that accept 3 parameter. First is a string, second is a start position, and here after length. So length of character, if you give at here 15, so this will whatever the character, so that accept. So at here the character is total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 is the character, but I have given the 15. So no any matter, but you should not give less length. So if you give at here 6, now let's check what happened. So see at here it's displaying only 6 length of our database. So at here DA. So you should give a good or suitable length. Now here. So this is about the sub-str function. So it accepts 3 parameter. First is a string char, here position, and here this is the length. So at here I applied to sub-str function. So this is about at here a string char, and here after this is the start position, and here after this is the length. Now here after the next is the next is level. So I'm using at here level. Now let's understand about the level. So going to write one more query. So at here select level. Select level from dual. And hereafter connect by, and here level, and let's give the length at here 10. Now execute here this query. So see right here I'm getting the output 1 2 3 4 5 till 10. So that means level value start from 1. Okay, the value of level that start from 1, and whenever the condition is satisfied, so till 10 that is the condition is satisfied. So that it's a display or 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 10. So that means at here Oracle database. So first time that level value is the 1, and here length is also 1. So 1 length, and hereafter connected by, so at here length. So this length is Oracle database. So total length if you count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, what about the length? Maybe more than 12. Okay, so that to first count level value is the 1 less than equal to 12. So this condition is true. So that if you execute this query, so first time that display here O. Now next time the level value is, if you execute this query, so see now next time the level value is 2. So at here the 2 position is R is there. Okay, so 2 position, and here there is a 1 length. So that next time there is that display R. So if you execute this query, so 2 position is R is there, and after 2 less than equal to this length. So total, okay, going to count 1 2 3. This is 6, and 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 8 plus 6, that is 14. 14 plus 1, this is the length 15. So this next time the level value is 2 less than equal to 15. So that condition is true. So that here the 2 position is R is there. So that here if you execute this query, so this will display at your 2 position R. Now the next time the level value is gonna increase. So level value first time that is start. Now next time this is the level value is now 3. So 3, and here this is the length here. Now that check connected by, so 3 less than equal to 15. This condition is true. So at 3 position A is there. So that if you execute this query, so at here this will return 3 position A. So this is the way query work at here. So this is the way we can convert any string vertically in Oracle database. Now the next thing is, so you can use at your row num also. So at you're going to use, let's give at your row num, and you're going to give row num. Row num, it's there. So see at here the same output I'm getting by row num. So the row num value start from 1, and here and this continue on when the condition is satisfied. So 10 less than equal to 10, the condition is true. But when the row num value is now 11 less than equal to 10, so this condition is not true. So that it's a display from 1 to 10. Now so that here we can use row num function also. So let's copy and check that. So in place of label, just include row num. About the row num function I already discussed. So at here we need to give row num. So this length is at here, this is the length function that count total strings. So total characters at here, total string characters are 15. And here the row num value start from 1 less than equal to 15. So this is the true. And here service string function. So this so at here this return. So first point is the position, and here this is the length. So 1 the position of that return, first position O is there. So O return at here. So this is now first time, this value is 1. So this value is now 1, and here this is the length. So 1 position O is there. So that if you execute this query, so this will okay, let's remove 1. Now execute that. So see at here first position O is there, O is displaying. Now next time the row num 2. So 2 less than equal to 15, that condition is true. So service string that return 2 position character. So R is there, R return. So like that continue. Suppose if I give at here length 2. So what will happen? So that will accept two length. So at here the first row is first time, row number value is at here 1, and here there is two length. So this will return two character. Now let's execute that. So see at here OR next time, that is displaying array, here AC, like that continue. So I don't want this kind of output, so we need to give at here or length 1. So at here getting the expected output Oracle database. So these the things, and you have to connect it by. So this will discuss this concept I will discuss in my later video. So I will make separate video about the connected by. So this is the concept to work to move any string into vertically. So there is the first concept, we need to use service string, here after label or pronoun, next connected by, and here this is length. So length function that count total number of characters here. So total characters 15 is there, so that return length of the character. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.